just love going out and see men, black men and women out there with their natural hair. I mean, wow. We don't have to like force our hair to be straight anymore. You know, like our curls and coils are beautiful, but this video is my opinion about the natural hair, how the natural hair movement or community has, you know, influenced me. We have to start like as a backstory, you know. So, you know, like my whole life I relaxed my hair. I didn't know what natural hair was at home. Grade 10, 11, there around where I relaxed my hair, you know, to the point where the roots of my hair, you guys, was very extremely very soft, you know. So one of my friends, you know, she touched my hands. She was like, Sophia, why does your hair feel like a chicken's head? You know, like if you have ever felt a chicken's head, you will feel it feels as soft as a newborn's baby hair. That is how I relaxed my hair. So, you know, like I never knew what natural hair was. So fast forward to 2018, that is where I started to do like research, you know, because by then I was like, I'm finishing school, I want to like grow my hair, I'm gonna cut it. So I started to do research on Facebook, you know, like groups, you know, where there were natural hair groups, and that is where I went to go and learn about natural hair. You know, like I had to start from scratch. So that is where the natural hair community came in, you know, like they don't gatekeep anything. If you know you want a hairstyle for like graduation, or you know, like go to church, or just day to day going to work, you will find hairstyles online. So the natural hair community is supportive, it's helpful. For example, if you have problem with your edges, they'll be there to tell you, do this with your edges, do that with your edges. You know, like I am, you know, going to talk about like the negative of the natural community, but you know, like if you want to watch part 2 of this video but focusing on the negative, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, they are very supportive, helpful. For example, last year, you know, on my Instagram, so I have like a nice natural hair community there on Instagram. So if you want to like join that natural hair community, they are very supportive, you guys. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram up there. So they, you know, like are very helpful. So last year I did my first wash and go, and I didn't like it. And you know, there's this natural hair, you know, enthusiast. She's from, I think, Germany. You know, she also has a YouTube, but she doesn't really post on it. She focuses on wash and go. Like if you want your wash and go to be nice and crisp, you know what, I'm gonna put her name up. Here. I'll put it up here. So go to her Instagram if you want to master wash and go. She is the lady. And then you get another one, you know, like Naturalista and Coily Diva, yeah, and Glory O'Kings. Glory O'Kings is like my first natural hair influencer that I followed when I, you know, started my natural hair journey. So with them you find like hair tutorials if you don't know what to do with your hair, or if you want like wash day content, you know, like they are the ones, you know. So they're very supportive. There's no way that you can be having boring hair in this day. Nope, because there's a lot of, you know, like people in the natural hair community who are gonna help you out with that. And you know, in the natural hair community is you can also like find out about new products. For example, you know, like whenever you have products that work for your hair but the prices are going up and you want cheap products, the natural hair community is there to give you, you know, like cheap hair products, you guys. And the other thing is with the natural, because of the natural hair community, you know, I grew as a person. I always used to be that type of person, you know, I would be quiet. Because of the natural hair community, I got to like learn more about natural hair. So I'm a natural hair enthusiast. I like talking about hair, so now I have something to talk about. You know, it also like boosts my confidence, you know, because like I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I didn't know what I should talk about. So yeah, like the natural hair community motivates you, to step out of the box and try things new. They motivate you to create content. Yeah, very supportive. I grew as a person because of the natural hair community. The natural hair community makes you to fall in love with your hair. Like if you are on the natural hair journey alone, it's going to be hard because you're gonna have wash days that are gonna take forever. You won't know what to do with your hair, and if, for example, you're trying out a hairstyle with mousse and it doesn't come out right, you wouldn't know what to do to fix that problems. So yeah, natural hair community, for me, this is my opinion, they are very helpful. They are there to help you solve your hair problems. They are there to help you fall in love with your hair on the days where you are having bad hair days. They are there cheering you on. So yeah, the natural hair community for me so far has been great. Yeah, what, the next video I have to talk about like the negative, because like at the natural hair community we have like natural hair police and those things, but what, that is for the next video. So like this video, I want this video to at least pass, let me see, so my best video passed 110 likes, so this video at least 50 likes, then I'm gonna upload the next video, like the negative of the natural hair community. So I hope to see you in the next video, and please go and watch all of my other videos if you haven't already, so that you will ask me questions based on content that I haven't uploaded yet. So I really hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe so that my content, this video and other videos, can reach more people, because like I want my YouTube channel to grow, you guys, so that we can have like a nice corner in the internet where we focus on retaining length.